Meaning of elucidation.
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 Elucidation. Elucidation refers to the process of making something clear or easy to understand by providing further explanation or clarification. It involves breaking down complex concepts or ideas into simpler terms to help others comprehend them better. The ultimate result of elucidation is greater clarity and understanding. By illuminating a particular topic, elucidation can help overcome confusion or ambiguity and promote greater knowledge and awareness. This can be particularly valuable in academic or scientific contexts where expertise or knowledge may be highly specialized.